Well, if you're looking for cold weather, we appear to have found it. On this UK and Ireland weather forecast, the cold weather continuing throughout the rest of the week, and it's going to plunge even further into the negatives in some nighttime temperatures coming up. The high temperatures today were 8 degrees in Chivanor and on the Scilly Islands, with 7 degrees in many other mainly coastal locations. At Cairngorm Summit last night it went down to -6 and -5 at Anach Mor and -4 in Troscoed, Wales and in Shap in Cumbria. And the cold weather set to continue, particularly with the temperatures. Freeze warnings in effect for a large part of the UK tonight, with some winter weather warnings further north in the Scottish Highlands for snow that's going to push down further south into tomorrow. So look out for the precipitation charts here and all these blue areas that are moving through northern Scotland tonight. That big blob there, a lot of that will comprise snow showers, with low temperatures across the whole British Isles tonight, mostly below freezing with minimums of -4. It'll get a little bit breezy up in the northeast as well, with that band of snow that's going to be moving in. Some of it may encroach inland, we're not quite sure how much yet, and how much it will impact the northeast of England maybe. But looking at the high temperatures for Thursday, you can see they're struggling to get up to 4 degrees in the outlying islands, and that's actually going to be the warmest place in Scotland today, up towards the Shetland and Orkney Islands and the Western Isles as well. Inland it's colder, some places not getting above 0, and in Ireland temperatures getting up to around 3 degrees, mostly sunny, and it will once again be sunny for many areas. The sun still has a little bit of warmth, 2 degrees in most parts of England, the high temperature, and maybe getting up to 3 along the southwestern coast. Well, there might be a little bit of rain attracted there as well, but mostly it is going to be pretty clear skies, and along the northeastern coast a lot of that precipitation remaining off the coast there and not quite being hemmed inland, but if it does move overland it probably will fall as snow, or at least a mixture. The winds will abate quite a bit, it'll be a bit breezy on the northeastern coastline, but generally it's another calm and still day like today. More precipitation moving in from the north there, affecting many areas, but staying pretty much off the coast, dissipating before it reaches land, and that's because of these very cold temperatures getting down to around -5 in some places on Thursday night. Coming into Friday, another mostly clear day, but once again some precipitation running up the coastline, especially on the northern Scottish coast, so look for some snow in those areas, getting up to around 2 degrees. It'll be rain perhaps towards the northeastern part of the Highlands. And also for Northern Ireland as well, there might be a mix there too, might get some sleet showers, maybe some snow in 1 or 2 places, high temperatures of 3, and once again possibly for the Isle of Man and Wales as well, temperatures will be struggling there too. But in most interior locations it's going to be pretty clear, sunny, not much cloud around, and high temperatures really struggling once again to get to around 2 degrees, maybe 3 if you're lucky. So extremely cold, but hopefully it will be quite calm and still, and actually the conditions probably won't be too bad, certainly if you're being active out and about. Looking at the wind charts again, yep, a very still day there, so there's no wind chill to be concerned about, but it is going to be an extremely cold day, certainly by our standards. Okay then, moving through the evening hours, you can see all that precipitation running round our coastlines, hardly any of it moving inland. Those cold temperatures once again under clear skies, -7 possibly in the Glasgow area and into the areas south of there on Friday night. Extremely cold, and temperatures struggling once again on Saturday with some more possible sleet and snow showers for parts of the Scottish borders, maybe into Wales, but it's really hit and miss to be honest, and it's going to be quite difficult to predict where snow might fall. But one thing is assured is that it's going to be very cold over the next few days. I think for any interior area of England and Scotland and Ireland, we're probably not going to see anywhere get to 4 degrees on the whole. So it's going to be a period of very cold weather, and it will continue into next week too.